Alright, what's going on YouTube fam? Welcome back to the live stream, hope you guys are doing well. We're back in business, we are back in business. Let me get set up here. Let me just turn the music down a little bit. Yeah, apologies for the delay guys, I had the garden here and I was just waiting for him to leave so we could jump on. But we are here, let me just get Zoom set up as well. Oh man, I got my, I had a tattoo removal today, so my arm is really fucking sore. Cause I'm getting my sleeve redone properly. So there was if anyone's thinking of getting tattoo removal, highly don't recommend it. Incredibly painful. All right, cool. Zoom link is in. Let me just quit Discord and get rid of some of these applications here and make sure you guys can hear me all good. Good morning, bro. Good morning, man. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Good to have you back on the stream. Hope you guys at least managed to take advantage of some of these gold moves yesterday, because gold had some amazing moves. Let me just move this like this. And as always, guys, I just posted the top step link at the top. If you want to become a funded futures trader, then go check out Top Step. pinned at the top, 70% off at the minute. You guys can get some amazing deals. So we'll see what we get today. I'm just gonna let the Zoom guys in. Let's get the Zoom in. Share my screen here. Alright, cool. Alright, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Hey man, how's it going, man?
I was about to get into longs on Goldie a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I just seen that. You got like hourly fake out now.
Yeah, but it took off on me.
Yeah, I was just looking at the 4 hour because it was at that big support, and yeah, it looks like it's about to fake out. It's a pretty nice strong push back up.
Would you, if this 30 flips, would you do a 30 buy at the top of the wick?
Yeah, you can. I was actually seeing if you could actually come and rip these lows because you'd already in Asia like had a nice like. There's no. I don't really see a clear liquidity point to buy up into. But I mean, 30 just closed incredibly bullish. So, I mean, in terms of following that momentum, yeah, I don't see why not. You know, you closed the no bottom wick, grabbed it. Hey man, how's it going?
How's it going?
Good man. Yeah, you closed the no bottom wick, you grabbed the lows, now you just flip back bullish. So, yeah, I mean, it's definitely open to it. I'll break it all down and we'll see what we got going on. What would you have? Stops is gonna be hard stop 35. You'd be managing at this level 16 and 25. Right, let me just see where everyone is. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I will start sharing my screen. Sorry, man. Go on. Sorry, man. I missed you there. Go on.
If I would do it, I would probably have my first TP at that top wick of the 1 o'clock candle today.
Yeah.
And you go up to 1974.
Yeah, and if you can get that breakout, you could have it much higher as well. You could see a pretty decent retracement here today. Let me just share this. Hi Peter, has everyone joined? I think everyone's almost here. A few more of the Zoom guys join in, and then we'll start. But yeah, you are at this big that massive 4 hour support and bouncing nicely. There's no real reason.
Buys were possible, but we did not grab
the lows. Yeah. Do you trade stocks or just gold? Just gold futures, man. We only trade gold. I would long term hold some stocks, but personally not actively day trading any stocks. Alright, let me just make this a bit bigger. Let's go with the levels over here. I'll give it 5 minutes, 2 more minutes, wait till 35 past. A few Zoom guys are still joining in, so I'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll start breaking it all down. We'll go over the daily close as well on gold because it was quite interesting. Ended up having quite a nice bounce. I believe there's some Fed news today.
Yeah, Powell speaking.
Yeah, man like Powell speaking. Our mate Powell.
He could make you or break you.
Yeah, man like Powell's gonna blow my account today.
LBI, fuck your contracts.
Good morning, Ross. Good morning, man. Good morning. Thanks for your advice on traveling and trading. Appreciate that. Yeah, good man. Get on it. Good on it, man. Let's go. What's going on, Ben? Good to be back in the stream. All right, let's do it. What time is it? 5 more minutes. All right, let's just do it. I think everyone's maybe just bring this up a little bit. Screen always goes. All right, there we go. Yeah, start breaking it down. We'll do a little bit of top down to see what we got going on for the day. Let me just take this watch off. It's annoying me. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. Cool. So yeah, we will let's start on the weekly. You know, while we're almost halfway through the week, we want to see how this weekly's forming. So, as we know, for the guys on Zoom anyway, we knew gold was going to come down and at least liquidate this previous low before a potential push back up. You still have this previous low down here, which, you know, depending on how this week closes, you may still spike into that. I do still think that is a level of interest where you may just wick out. But if we go, let's go into the monthly. You know, monthly overall close bullish. You know, we have liquidity sitting above this previous monthly high. You're a big monthly support as well, so maybe you could start to flip bullish. You're gonna need some pretty big fundamentals to continue pushing up on gold anytime soon. Anyway, you could just start to correct back up, but if we're gonna get an impulsive move like this, we're gonna have to see some news come out. If we look at the daily here on gold, I'm gonna get rid of these previous weekly levels because we know these have been grabbed now. I'm gonna mark on yesterday's high and yesterday's low. I think with the way the daily closed yesterday, we do have the possibility of grabbing yesterday's low, which if we do grab yesterday's low, then you're easily just going to spike out that previous week low as well. But that's overall. Let me just change this. Give me 2 seconds. Why's my computer lagging? There we go. Yeah. We may come down and grab these lows. But equally, if we are gonna come and grab these lows, you never know. You may actually spike out previous daily highs. You may not have enough liquidity to drive all the way back down into these weak lows just yet, which is like about 150 ticks. So not a huge push down. It's not that far out of reach. You are at this very, very big support, and you kind of got this big resistance, I'd say, probably back around here, where the daily has closed below, and you haven't quite yet come back up to retest, like, call it 1980. But as it stands, you know, like, fundamentally, gold's still overall very bullish. There's no reason to say otherwise just yet. And last time you got stuck in this range, you know, you did end up creeping your way up to this upper level, which, you know, you could potentially see something like very similar to what we did here happen over here, where you just kind of creep your way up, come all the way back up into 1980 overall today, which previous daily highs around here as well. So once you grab that previous daily high, you're also tapping back into that 1980 level, which is also lining up pretty well. Move this over here. How are you today? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well. And yeah, we're gonna see this hourly candle. If this hourly closes back above this level, which is also the previous 4-hour support, you've now closed back above. See here, big support. You kind of just bring it like that. It doesn't really matter. Big support, little fake out support, broken, break straight back above, retesting and now pushing higher. So if this, what time does product close? About 10 a.m. London time. Yeah, so you've got a while to this 4 hours going to close. But if this hourly closes bullish and you break this high here, you're going to see a nice drive back up to these highs. I am surprised we've come this far back up so quick, because you kind of already had a nice liquidity grab in Asia today, where if you go look at this on like the 15, a lot of retail traders today would have been seeing this short of this resistance stop just above this high, you know, looking for this big play down, and you've actually already wicked out that high, grabbed the liquidity and had this pushback down. So because you've already grabbed the liquidity, you wouldn't really be watching this high as a level to grab before pushing down. You'd more so be looking at this high, that if you break this, you're probably just going to keep pushing up. So I'd be watching this high pretty closely today. If you break this, like I say, you could have a pretty easy drive, 50, 60, 70 tick correction back to the upside, and just see that hourly just slowly correct back up like we were seeing over here. You know, you break back above it, it takes its time, but you end up creeping back up into that 1980 level, which is a pretty nice level. But you don't want to see this hourly engulf, close above any bottom wicks. I think to me it makes sense to keep pushing up hit any bottom wick on this next hourly.
Margin call.
But yeah, that's gold. Gold. Found some. I was watching this 4-hour close yesterday on gold, or this 4-hour candle yesterday, and it was looking so bearish, and I was very confident that this just was going to be a bounce off this support. He ended up rejecting it pretty nicely and just retracing a little bit higher. The only thing is, on gold, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, I haven't really grabbed any lows for this entire push up. So you may also see some spikes back down into these lows. So if this hourly doesn't close above, you may get this 4-hour continuation back down. Which, if you start closing back below here, 30, potentially 60, 70, 80, 100 back down into the lows. But if you break this high, you're going to keep pushing up. So this is the high that you would want to see respected if you're going to see this go down. But you have to wait till that hourly closes. So the hourly closes bullish, sure, you may go long, but until that closes, it's any man's game right now. And that's going to be that 7 a.m. normal time as well. But yeah, some nice levels on gold today. Some very, very nice levels. Let me just check the calendar again. So what you got? Fed speaking at 2:30 London time, 2:15. And you got him speaking again on Thursday. And then consumer sentiment on Friday. So you're kind of coming to midway through the week now, which typically on gold, halfway through the week means you kind of have like half of the fake move or pretty much the potential bottom wick of the weekly candles. Usually around Wednesday, Thursday, you start to see things turn around. And we've seen Monday and Tuesday just absolutely see this huge push down on gold. We still have a lot of levels that we could see come back up and grabbed at some point. But let's see. I'm gonna wait for this hourly close. If this hourly closes back below here, this could just be a stop hunt. Then you could see this drive low. If it closes above this level, amazing, go long. But this hourly candle is gonna be very key here. I'm not even going to go down to the 5-minute yet until we see this hourly candle closure. So let's see. Are you asleep, Joe?
Not yet. I'm a bit sleepy today. I've just been playing around with the blur thing. I've got a blur on now.
Nice. Yeah, I've got one on as well. Look at that.
Not many people can have it. They only let a couple of people.
You want to see something even more impressive? Are you ready? See that?
What the?
Yeah, I'll teach you one day. There's levels to this Zoom game, you know.
Oh, you're just changing camera. You're that guy.
I got part of my
cameras.
tattoo removed today. It fucking well hurt.
Which one?
I got I get like all the top bit. I'm gonna get most of it gone. I want to do my sleeve properly. I kind of fucked it up. I don't like it, so I'm like, man, I'm just gonna start getting it removed.
How many sessions?
Sorry, man.
How many sessions are you having?
So far I've had one, and she says I'll probably need maybe like 3 to be enough for someone to go over it. It all depends on. Sorry.
It's like a tenner a session here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's well cheap.
Fucking hell! I paid like $300 today, and that's so $300 for this half, and then $300 for this top half. Oh shit! Yeah, nice.
I've had maybe 12 sessions. So.
12. Wow. Yeah, she said 3, but with how dark this is, I think you need way more than that, to be honest. But I'll get it covered up properly.
Are you going to be careful of micropigmentation?
Sorry, man?
You know, like pigmentation in your skin, like do you not take that out?
Nah, I don't know really, to be honest, man. I don't know.
I think it depends what laser they use, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking painful
like,
though.
Yours would be a good for $300. It'd be a good laser.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was good. She did it pretty hard. I'll get it covered up properly.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
But yeah, fucking.
It's
burn.
not how they can get rid of them now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, she was explaining to me. I was like, "It's fucking mental."
Like, you could get it fully removed if you wanted to.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, that is.
I'm trying to get like.
I said I'm trying to get mine completely removed.
Mm.
It's good enough for cover up now.
Yeah, 12 sessions is a lot, man. But you're paying him like a French lady.
What are you getting over to yours, Aaron?
I don't know yet, to be honest, man. I don't know. I've just never liked it for a while. Like, I just kind of got like little bits, like there and then like a little bit there. I was like, man, I should have just done it properly. I see like this bit in pictures. I'm like, it just looks stupid. I just want to get rid of it. I'll just do something like a whole sleeve at some point. There's some really good places in Bali, actually.
My tattoo is taking longer to get rid of than the relationship.
Good man. Bloodline, yeah, is that? I think that's the one I was actually looking at, man. Let me have a look. Yeah, they had. I had like an. Is it Bloodline? Oh no, I was looking at a place called Angel Inc. Let me have a look at Bloodline.
Aaron, did it hurt?
The removal.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking well hurt. Yeah, way more
Like
painful.
Is it like getting splat by oil? Hot oil?
Oh man, it's way worse than getting a tattoo. Yeah, like Ron says, like getting an elastic band, but like fucking way hard and loads. I thought it wouldn't be less as painful as getting the tattoo, but it's fucking way worse.
Did you ever?
Sorry, man.
Did you have the creep?
Yeah. So when I did this part, I didn't. But then when I did this, I was like, yeah, I'm fucking putting cream on it. But like inside here was, oh man, it was excruciating.
Yeah, the numbing cream's good for like the removal.
Yeah.
I've never used it for tattoos, but for removal it's cool.
Yeah, fucking way worth it, man. It was insane. It's like burning now. It's like having full on sunburn. What was I looking at? Bloodline.
How long do you stay out the sun for?
Well, I mean, you could go like swimming in the sun now if you wanted to. It would just hurt. But like this down here, which I had like maybe 5 days ago, like is already doesn't hurt anymore.
Alright, sound that.
Maybe
Stuff
sound.
like that. Like you could like mess it up, regret it, and get it removed.
Yeah, exactly, man. Bloodline. Yeah, I've seen this Bloodline. I think they have one in Thailand. I think. Yeah, they do. Oh, they got loads. Bali, Phuket, Bangkok. Yeah, nice. Yeah. We'll have a look at theirs, man. Bali got some good places, actually.
Yeah, Bloodline on Bangor Road is where I have mine.
Oh, really? Nice. Yeah, nice.
They have some of the best artists in Thailand because they pay 50% to the artist, and most people are on salaries.
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, maybe let me have a look at the one in Phuket as well.
Get yourself over, Aaron.
Yeah, any excuse, man. Any excuse for another holiday, I think.
I think I'm gonna do another month after Ao Nang. I think I'm doing another month in Phuket.
Yeah, do it, man. Phuket's,
Mate, I love Phuket.
yeah, it's well nice, man.
Yes, I love it. My new home,
Good man.
Katu, is the place to be.
Place to be.
Mate, it seriously is.
Yeah, it's sick, man. I miss it.
I often do wonder if the person who came up with the name Phuket took into consideration that a PH is actually pronounced an F.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Good morning. Oh, good morning, Vivian. Good morning.
What do you do when you go to Bangalore? Fuck it.
There it is. There it is. Alright, you're gonna get this. All I'm doing here, guys, is just wait for this Audi close. I think we get a nice Audi close here. You're gonna get a nice fake out. You may have a little head and shoulders here as well. And you can see some longs on Goldie. Anyone take any Asia trades today? I didn't really watch it. Don't know if anyone took any. think it pretty much just ranged a lot today. I mean, you grabbed some highs. There was some nice actual. We were talking about sports, some nice shorts that ended up actually pushing down pretty well. Wick down like 47. Yeah, that's a pretty big push actually. Now you just completely push back up. I took some shorts. Good man. Very nice. Did you get it off that liquidity play up here from this wick? From like short in here? Yeah, very nice, man. Yeah, good shit, man. Even if you took it like down into here, you probably got like 20. Not sure if you got the runners, but even playing it down into there was a nice little range to play, man. That was a good trade. Good little scalp. There you go, just grabbing them highs. If we get, it's looking like we're going to get a nice closure here. We'll see, you know, gold can do anything in the last 10 minutes. But if we get a nice hourly closure here, I'll be looking for a nice bottom wick, come grab this previous 15, retest this level. And I'm going to be looking for some longs here, even if we just play the range. It's a 25 tick range, which is nice. We can play a 25 tick range today. I still think there's a lot of upside liquidity still to be grabbed at some point on gold as well. You know, like all of this move down yesterday. This move down yesterday was crazy. It was like from once you grab the highs, or even from Monday. You know, what was this? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, like almost 24 hours of just straight bearish candles, which is crazy. And then you wicked back up all at the last minute. But to see no corrections on all of this move down, to me shows there's probably a lot of liquidity sitting above a lot of these highs. So if you get hourly fake out here, and you get longs up into the range, you know, you take a lot of your position there. You can get some runner pullbacks up into these levels. You could have some pretty nice plays today. We're jumping into London where Asia hasn't had a huge move today, which is what we want to see. So that's what we're going to see. We're going to see it's hourly close in what, 7 minutes, and then we'll see what we got going on. Nice. Nice little mug shot there.
You invite people to your house and you get disrespected. Is in my house.
We grab the 27th highs before going down. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. 27th. Oh, is that this one? No, wait there. Where am I looking? 27th. Oh, this one up here, David, you mean? This one?
Yeah.
If you mean that one, yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Like if this was just pretend this was a 5-minute chart, because sometimes for some reason when you go on like the 4 hourly or the daily and you see these liquidity points, it seems so far away. It seems so far away, but if you were watching on the 5-minute, you know, you'd already be doing something like this, where you'd be like, okay, cool. Most retailers are probably trying to do something like this. So yeah, buys up into that look pretty nice. Although it's the 4 hour time frame, you know, it seems like, well, it's too far away now. You know, it's dropped like 500 pips, but before you know it, technicals don't change. So yeah, 100%. My only concern is that you may come and grab the lows of the range first. Because let's just clean up everything here for a second. If we just look what gold is doing right now, you know, it's the 4 hour time frame. We'll just pretend this is the 5 because it just makes it kind of look more realistic for the liquidity grabs. You'd pretty much be drawing gold like something like this. So if we've just had this nice bounce of this support, which is also this big resistance, you know, like all the way down here, let's just bring it to somewhere like this. We would almost always be saying that when you're coming this close to this support, you're very likely gonna potentially see us come and grab the lows before grabbing the highs, where you could see something like this and then just that monthly to keep flipping bullish. So you can still get pullback trades. You know, you may pull back up into these levels before then dipping down into these lows, but this is kind of the range overall that we're working with right now. I'd be very surprised to see gold break this support and keep pushing down. Something fundamentally would have to change for that to happen. But right now, keep pushing up. If you do break this level, then you know that's going to be the next level, and then after that you're going to have these lows as well, which are going to be very interesting. You know, any closures below here, this is going to be the next range of just like 200 ticks, which is amazing. But as it stands right now, we'll react to what we currently see, and what we can see is this is the current range that we're playing in. But yeah, I at some point to come up and grab these highs, yeah, absolutely. I think on the monthly, you're very likely going to see this monthly. You know, this could be a bottom wick and at least grab these highs. Even say for example, even if this monthly doesn't flip bullish, well then that's fine, because then we can still keep drawing on these liquidity regions like this, and then we know next month at some point you're at least going to wick out this double top. But yeah, gold is never going to, you know, you've had this big reaction above 2000 on the monthly time frame. Gold has never closed above that 2000 level, and this is why you're seeing this quite nice reaction back down. But you know, even when you do react, you react to 2000 like here and here and even here, you always then wick out the previous before then pushing back down. So you'd be very surprised to see this be the one wick rejection of resistance to keep dropping low. So I think coming to grab last month's high looks like a pretty easy play to me, to be honest. I do think you may retrace some of this more first. Like if you take on a massive swing fib like this, you know, you've not even come anywhere near to correcting like 50% of this entire move. So that is still possible as well. Which is, we're at some pretty interesting levels. But for today, if we don't grab this low, then, you know, buys up into like this level, and then potential shorts from here, shorting back down into these lows could also be a pretty nice play. You know, even if gold's going to drive back down and even break this level, we already know on the daily time frame you're going to come up and grab previous daily highs, and then you could see that push back lower. So you got some pretty big ranges both sides today, which is what you want to see. You know, it's okay to trade. Have I lost all my previous analysis? Let me see if I get my levels back up, guys. Deleted so much. Can I get the levels on we had? There we go. Yeah, let me put this back on. Let's watch this alley. So yeah, I definitely think them highs will be grabbed. Yeah, for sure, man. I just think you may spike out the lows first, but at some point to rip them highs, yeah, 100%. It's a nice swing analysis, right? You got 2 minutes to the close here. Look at this on Goldie, going from looking incredibly bullish to now all of a sudden this alley may close back below this level, and if you do, you could get some shorts, which so it's also fine. You grab previous 15 highs there. They just leave a double top for later on. But let's see if we close below here, say there, I'll be open to shorts back down into here and here. This is why waiting for closures on gold so key. Hourly can look incredibly bullish. What, 2 minutes until the close, you're all of a sudden dipping back down. So let's just go back to the hourly and just watch this closure in 1 minute. You didn't grab, see for this whole push down here as well, you didn't really grab any hourly highs. Well, now you just wicked out anyone who was early selling this. And you have the potential to see this push down. Even before this push up, you didn't wick out previous hourly lows. So shorts to me could be nice here. What is this current wick? This is 15 ticks, which is nice. Let me just get up. I think gold's going to grab the highs again. Sort of bull trap. Yeah, possible, man. Possible. I think if you reject like this, look at this. See? Gold is looking incredibly bullish. Now look at this nice wick. If you get an instant top wick here, you could look for some sells on gold. Short back down into the lows, I think. These are all of these levels marked on here. Are also 4-hour lows. Let me just get the demo account up here in case we get this. You got instant bottom wick. Want to see more of a top wick? Get the demo up.
Did you top up the demo today?
Always, man. Always got to reset that balance. Fresh on the day.
Now I wonder why Top Step does give a pre-reset.
If Top Step can do it, I'm allowed to as well. Alright, cool. So hourly just grabbed the highs and thrown a big rejection, so now I can go down to intraday and start looking for a little bit more here. 15 has just closed with no bottom wick, which is not ideal. So is the 30. Not ideal. 30 kind of has a double top as well. So you've just wicked out previous lows and closed back. I'm gonna separate our charts to how we normally have them because I want to see what's really going on here today. I'm gonna get the 5 minute up here. So we're gonna have move the mic out of the way. So you've got 30 resistance up there. Also gonna have this level here. Gonna go down to use this chart on the 5. Yeah, so 5's closed below, but like I say, 5 and 15 have no bottom wicks. If there's no bottom wick, you got to be careful of jumping in shorts just yet. 30's also got a double top here as well. See this little double top now? Double top on the 5. So if anyone's shorting this on gold, where their stop's going to be just above this resistance. And because there's no bottom wick, I personally won't jump in these shorts just yet because I've spotted that double top now. What's buys up into that? 18 ticks. If you come down here and leave that, it's gonna be a very nice buy. Let's make these charts a little bit bigger. Yeah, cool. Oh, there you go. It looks like you're gonna rip the high straight away. Like I say, anyone who is shorting gold right now, people are probably trying to short gold on this retest and trying to do something like this. I mean, if you get a 5 minute closure back above, you may, you could consider a 16 pip fake out play. So I'll get rid of that and we'll put on our money bags up here. As long as it didn't get grabbed on a different exchange, that's a pretty nice double top to me. Oh man, sweat trading is lagging all the time.
Could wait for that to get tapped and then short.
Yeah, I think so, man. It's looking likely. Yeah, you got double top there as well. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this is why understanding that no bottom wicks is very key, and also double tops. Yeah, so I think retails are probably jumping in these shorts right now.
Order filled.
Stop here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, so 30 is interesting there.
Can we change that voice in Ninja Trader?
Yeah, I think you can. I have mine turned off. I find it really annoying. I have it muted.
Where can we turn it off?
I just have the actual site muted because I'm on the web browser. There will be a way to do it though. Let me see if I can find it in this web one.
She's like the Siri of Ninja Trader.
It's so annoying.
Yeah. Every time I place an order, you guys get in signal.
I can't find it. Yeah, there will be a way. I'm sure it fucking annoys a lot of people. I'm sure there'll be a way to turn it off. You can have a 5-minute fake out here. I think if you get an instant bottom wick here, you could have some buys on gold. Give an instant bottom weight before grabbing previous highs, and you may have some longs.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, there you go. Alright. So now, if you break the highs, almost 10 ticks. Yeah, let's see if you're going to get some rejection here. So you could have, in a second, or even now if you even wanted, maybe on the flip of the body. See if this can have a nice run. You break even point at that double top. You can see if you can break the highs here. Let's see, not a whole heap of volume. Because you also haven't, you're at least now going to wick out some previous 5 highs at least. Let me go down to 5 minute here. Whoa, 120 contracts, don't do that.
20 contracts.
Yeah, I had a TP of 20 yesterday, so I just had to change it. I ain't trading fucking 20 contracts today. Oh.
Go on.
Full margin.
Yeah. Now your 10 ticks is like $2,000.
Yeah, crazy, man. Crazy. See if we're gonna reject here. It's a nice bottom wick very early on in this 5. I'm gonna jump in a retest entry, but I'd rather see it flip. I don't think the fields are going to be that amazing on futures today.
Did you win, Aaron?
No, not yet, man. No, I'm looking for a potential order. Yeah, you could take a retest entry right now, but it's just a tight range. Like you could be looking to do something like this right now. I'd rather see I'd see more of a rejection and flip. And you got to be break even as soon as it starts wicking out the highs. And you got 2 more minutes. And you got to the 15, 7 more minutes. You get plenty of time. You start to see some, because you've already created a top wick now. It's nice. Now you've already got the top wick. So if you create a new high, then you may see a push. But I don't have any orders in just yet. 100 contracts. Is there a furu in this chat? If I do put this up, I would consider half because it's a tight range.
Yeah.
And the 15 did close technically bearish.
I wanted to buy, but the previous 15 closed so bearish that.
Yeah, it did, man. Yeah, it did. That's the
Because
thing.
this was my ideal setup, like grabbing the 30 lows and closing bullish. But the previous 15 closed so bearish.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Even at the previous 15.
Yeah, I'm with you, man.
Let's see.
So on futures, you're looking at around 74.1. I don't think it's going to flip just yet. The volume looks pretty slow here.
Yeah.
Even if it does flip, I think you're still going to get a quick bottom wick back to where entry would be anyway. It's unlikely the next 5 minutes, because you would have wanted to see this 5 kind of drive already. If this 5 doesn't drive, then even if you get tagged in here, the next 5 is still going to at least come down.
Yeah, you'd want to be in profit now, wouldn't you?
Yeah, 100%, man. You'll be profit and seeing this current 5 like, up here already. If there's a true fake out, it's going to be good volume, yeah. Otherwise, if you jump in it now, next 5 minutes still going to wick back down again. So we're gonna wait.
Extra tick matters.
100%, man. We need all the tickies in the world. 6 seconds. Yeah, there you go. Nah, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, that's all. 15 looks a bit bearish as well.
It does, yeah. It's only because it closes no bottom wick that I wouldn't take shorts. Especially on the 30.
Good job waiting.
Yeah, I think so, man. If you're trying, where's the last time you got a bearish 30 close and no bottom wick? Here. You kind of went doji, and then did actually still push down though.
I mean, if you look at the 15,
Yeah.
like the previous 15, closed like this, fully bearish, also angled the previous to previous 15. So it's technically not possible for another 15 to angle the previous 15.
Yeah.
How would it look like?
Yeah. I think I agree with you, man.
Yeah.
You'll probably see maybe a doji. After that 30 close and no bottom wick, you may see a doji 30. I'm trying to see the last time you had a 30 bearish close and no bottom wick. I mean, you had a little bottom wick there, but not much. He's completely reversed. No bottom wick there, 30
Exactly.
then reversed. So yeah, most of the time, if you see a 30 close bearish with no bottom wick, you could see the next 30 close bullish, or at least doji. Where are we? Alright, who's in full margin?
Yeah, or we can continue pushing bearish.
Yeah. Or you just continue running, yeah.
If we clear this, if we break through, if 15 closes below this blue level at 1967, it's got good headway down on it.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, if you clear, like...
1967-ish.
Yeah, which is... Yeah. Break below there and you probably free fall quite a lot. You probably have some pretty nice sells.
Like, we haven't hit any 5-minute wicks in how long? Like, have you seen all them wicks at the below? Like, there's 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4 candles to the lows.
And you're also going to have some double tops up here.
A lot of analysis today, isn't there?
A lot, man, a lot of levels.
Like that double top could get left until we take more levels below.
Yeah, if it does, that'll be amazing buys later on. Yeah, if you come all the way down here, yeah, that'll be a lovely buy later.
Like they actually get set up like that though, doesn't it? For later, like the liquidity gets left there for later on.
Yeah, especially if there's news, man. Yeah, you can sometimes leave a lot. Nasdaq still pushing.
Go on.
That's right, man. Go on.
I hit £100. Do you know the little personal building?
Yeah.
So it's been 2 weeks. I've hit £100 profit, which obviously is only a small account, but it's still good.
Good, man. That's good.
How's your top step?
Yeah.
How's your XFA going?
Sorry.
How's your top step XFA going? Funded account.
I'm 300 up.
Nice.
$310 up, and got 200 days out of my 5.
Good man.
Great.
Good man. Yeah. Good man.
Just use the one lot, like not 2, just one.
Yeah, it's good.
Like, all you need is 20 ticks.
That's good, man.
200 day.
That's good. I feel like
It's just trailing stop that's a bit hard, but I mean, you've got 200 on the one contract. You've got what 200 tick stop? No, 100 tick stop.
I think we need like 5 200 winning days, right, to withdraw.
Yeah.
But you want to be above $2,000 anyway, because you can't withdraw. Like you want to have like 53k in your. You want to get to about 53k before you withdraw anything.
That's what I was thinking. Like even though if they allow to withdraw, I don't think we should withdraw.
Nah, not right away. Yeah.
Eventually.
Yeah, I agree,
Top
man.
step's more of like a slow build, like maybe like trade you express for 2 months, build it up to 4k, and then withdraw 2k, and use that 2k buffer to build another 2k.
Yeah, I agree.
It's not like a quick 10k.
No, it's not quick. Yeah. I think it's more of a personal account.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said to Ram before. It's like more personal. Like.
Yeah, I agree. Alright, there you go. 5 minutes just had a strong bearish close there. We're going to come and grab these lows here. Feels like it's in a range.
But it
It
takes
is.
somewhere around 4 to 6 months to build a good top step account.
Yeah.
If you can build the top step accounts like 10k, you can withdraw, like, if you can get up to 60k just like building it slowly, you can withdraw 5k in like 4 or 5 months, which is still a k a month, isn't it?
Yeah.
I doubt, like, suppose you reach $200 5, and if you do not withdraw, so does it still get valid like after you reach 8 to 10 days again?
Yeah, you can take it out again, yeah, if you want to, man, yeah. It'll still be yours.
Is that right?
Like if I skip my chance after having 5 winning days, does it get valid after I'm on the 8th day?
I'm not sure.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you may see gold wick out these lows.
No real stops.
Nah, not really, man. That's what I was just thinking. You can't put it above a double top.
I haven't even grabbed any 5s yet.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a 15 on. There's a low on the 15 chart on the actual gold FX.
Yeah.
It's got no bottom wick. Where are we now? Was 50? Oh, I can't see 15 on yours.
Let me do it here. Yeah. This one, yeah.
That'll probably get hit.
Yeah.
Like stuff in reverse, isn't it?
Yeah. If you come and grab some 5-minute highs, I'll look to take it. But it's not. If you take sales now, your target has to be 10 ticks. It's not worth it. Even if it pushes down, it's not worth it.
Top has to be way above double top as well. To be on that wick, so like point.
Yeah. Your risk to reward would be shocking. And probably even a stop above there would be risky because it's a double top. So even if it does push down from here, I don't mind. I need to grab some highs, and then we can, which I think you'll do.
Longs could be nice as well if we take that low.
Yeah, play the range, yeah, because you're going to be back down at this support.
Looks good today though. Looks a lot better than yesterday.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, more ranges today, more levels to play.
You see Asia? Have you seen Asia's range? Like how grim's that drip? It's like
yeah. Week the highs.
This will be quiet for me. Like only 2 trades yet.
That's good, man. That's good. See this here as well. A lot of retail traders here, when you see price go this quiet at a level of support, everyone tries to jump in longs here as well. That's why you see that continuation push back down, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, they say don't they? They say the more times it hits a level, the stronger it is.
Yeah.
Realistically, the weaker, the stronger.
Complete opposite. Yeah, literally. The more it touches without grabbing it, it's the complete opposite.
Yeah, but they're taught to say, oh, it's well strong this level. Realistically, it's not. You're just going to get broke because you're going long.
Yeah, 100%, man. So we're looking for buys up into them highs. Yeah, maybe at some point though, not yet though. 15 and 30 are too bearish to jump in just yet. Morning people, morning Harry man. Morning man.
Yeah, only closed great though, previous hourly. Wicked out, the highs closed a bit with a wick.
Yep.
Next one is done. So yeah, we might see a great move on the hourly.
With a nice double bottom as well.
Yeah. Let's see. We get some entries.
Potential morning star. Yeah, you could have flipped it from there. It's not worth it though.
Three-pin pattern on the 15.
Yeah. Could you have got an entry on the flip of the 15? Yeah, I mean, you could have got it on this 5 here. But you have to be break even at 14 ticks with stops all the way above here. So you're like, your risk is like less than a 1-to-1. So the range isn't worth it for me personally. Unless you wick up some highs now, then amazing. I'll look to take it. But until then, no, the range isn't worth it. Although, you're very likely to come and grab this double bottom. It doesn't make sense to sell it yet. But it'll be interesting to see how that Fed speaking today will take gold. If we start to find some support and start to wick back bullish today, it'll be very interesting. But yeah, this is your range for the day. 50-ish ticks. Valid. Let me just have a look, man. Let me have a look. Yeah, put it up. Let me see. Oh yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, that's a nice spot. I like that. I was on the 15. Yeah, definitely, man. So you got it from here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, I like that. I like that, man. I like that. See, if you got short on this 5-minute flip, you're back to where you started. That's why it's not worth it. You're creating more liquidity down here now, though. If you come and grab some highs, then like I say, amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can wick out like here, or at least this 5-minute closed doji, and then grab the highs, then that's going to be your nice little play. Remember that 30 did still close no bottom wick, or it bounced hard. That's moved like 2 ticks. It's literally moved 5 pips.
Would you consider longs if we get a strong 15 close?
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah.
That middle top?
Yeah, close back above here. Absolutely. I'll definitely take that. Yeah, because you got a nice double top now, so now you got some nice liquidity up there to come and grab.
Looks like a decent little trend line bounce.
And then as soon as you grab that, then you can see a nice little push back down. Yeah, I was thinking that, yeah, on the 30. It had actually wicked it out, yeah. Did it do it? It didn't do it on the currency, though. I don't think. Yeah, so it didn't do it on the currency. But you're right, it did on the futures. But for me, if it hasn't done it on the currency, it will still very likely come down a little bit more. So you got to spike them out a little bit more there. Excuse me. See if you jumped in them sells on that 15 flip, you're straight into drawdown now. If you took sells here, you're already minus 6 ticks. The reason we didn't, because you didn't grab any 5-minute highs. You haven't grabbed any 5-minute highs, you don't jump in shorts, you don't get trapped. 5 minutes just wicked out the lows and actually closed bullish now. 4 minutes till this 30 as well. But yeah, this is the area we are stuck in. See on this little 30 push down, you haven't grabbed any highs here either. Oh man, okay, I've had enough. You're boring me, man. Fucking hell. There you go, 30 starting to wick back up here. Bad's probably going to close pretty doji after that 30 bottom wick. See, although that 30, you know, at some point looks incredibly bearish and you think you've missed the move, you just have to wait. You're going to see it close pretty doji now. Thank God, yeah, Riley was annoying me, man. It's just no value in anything that we were saying. Fucking crazy. Literally every little pip move, oh my god, so bullish. Every little pip bearish move, oh my god, so bearish. Yeah, no bottom wick on the 5, yeah. Because you're in the last 5 of the 30 now, you probably just want to wait for this to close. But you've grabbed that high now, so I'm gonna get rid of that high. And get rid of these highs as well now. Because yeah, on the hourly, that's the thing, gold does still look nice to keep pushing down. But we want to see some volume. Was that an actual bot or what? No, I don't think so, man. It's just someone just fucking spamming the chat. It's just absolute bullshit. It's painful. I'll let him have his moment for a little bit, but it's just boring. Providing zero value. Let's see. And if you don't close bearish here, then you want to be marking all these 15 highs as well. Come on, gold, give some volume today, man. I want to sit here and watch this go sideways. I don't think I haven't taken a trade on gold in the 5 minute in a long time. It's all been off like 15 and 30. So now you have that bottom wick on the 5. So see how I can close in 30 seconds. Yeah, this is kind of what really what we're stuck in right now. How many pips is this range? 26, but from where you're currently sitting to the lows, 18. Deep downside your contracts if you take a trade on the 30 or 15. Nah, not really, man. Nah. My stops are still usually pretty good. So sometimes, you know, I'll take it off like the 5. Off 5 contracts, and sometimes, for the most part, usually 10. But yesterday's bounce, just 10 and added in a little bit more actually. But management's still the same, you know. If you break above, like if you short gold here in this 30 now, you're not even watching this 5. Hard stop above here, but your real stop is, so you short this resistance. Hard stop is 35 ticks, but really your hard stop is maybe like 5 to 10, same as always, because if you close above, then you want to be looking to cut it, and you can probably get it on like the retest, especially in a range. It's going to come back down, retest, and push higher. And you really down my size when price is raging like this. if you're stuck in like a less than like 20 tick range, yeah, I wouldn't be trading full size. There you go. So you just had that 30 close on gold. And we have just closed doji, unfortunately.
Looks pretty indecisive.
Yeah, very, man. Very, very, very.
Oh, goldie.
Yeah, man. Set some alerts. Set some alerts and chill. Because now you gotta wait for a 30-minute breakout, right? So you may as well just... Like for me now, if I wasn't on this stream and I was watching this on my own, like I sometimes do in the evening, now I've just seen this, it's like, oh, I don't even gotta look at the charts for another 30 minutes. You have to drain yourself watching the 5. You got doji bearish and then doji 30-minute candle. Set some alerts and they even set some alerts. Just come back in the next 30 close and see how you go. Because you can watch the 5 and you can try and take a trade off the 5, but if the 30's close doji, what's the point?
Yeah.
There's no point, right? Especially when you have a double top up here as well.
It's like double top on the either side, and we are in the middle.
Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, when you got liquidity down here and above here, you gotta wait for either the highs to get grabbed and you can short the lows, or the lows to get grabbed and you can buy the highs. Yeah, you do got that Fed speaking later on as well, so.
What have I missed?
A nice doji candle, man. Nice 30-minute doji.
Lovely.
I've started not drawing my position on TradingView when I'm trading. It helps a lot with emotions. Yeah, good man, Harry. Yeah, absolutely. I do the exact same, man. I very rarely draw it on now. Like I say, you know where your position is. You know where your exit is. So there's no point drawing it on unless you're like trying to show something. There's literally no point. You know where it is. You know you got your stop loss in place. You don't need to draw it on. But yeah, it does help with emotions. It's the more you draw in your charts, the confusing it can be. Like even if you're in buys on gold right now, like you don't need to draw this on to know where your stop loss and target is. You already know where they are. Well, I need this tool to show me where they are. I already know where they are. You don't have these risk reward tools and other like futures platforms and stock platforms. There's fucking forex stuff. You had this risk to reward on that. Put the fan on. There you go, gold pushing back up. Yeah, I do still think this 4 hours is going to wick out some lows. Doesn't mean you can't grab some highs first. But if this hourly all of a sudden closes bullish above here, you may get a fake out play, but you've already grabbed the highs, so yeah, probably. I don't know. Maybe until fucking Fed speaking later on, you may just get stuck in these two little levels.
Aaron.
Yo.
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Where's it? Yeah, where's not really seeing many signals. I joined your group, hoping to get hourly signals.
I'll pump the markets for you, man.
He messaged me on Instagram when I first joined. Went, "Hi Joe, how about hourly signals?"
I had a question about that. Since like Topstep is having their own platform now, and we can copy trades, can we connect our account to yours?
Yeah, 5,000 a month.
Yeah, since you are partnered with them.
Is that what you can do? Copy other accounts or just copy across your own accounts?
Rohan's
Yeah,
cheeky.
We'll try.
Cheeky boy.
$5,000 a month, sure, for the outside members. For the community members, what's it?
Yeah, but you haven't heard my price yet.
Yeah, what's your price?
I'll do a special.
Go on.
I'll do £1,000, £1,000 a month when you get daily signals and you can copy my account.
What's the win rate? We need some stats here.
Well, mate, I shit you not, Aaron. On my personal, right? Ron can come and check right now. I've had one loss, yeah, of 5 pips, and I am 100 ticks up. So
That's good, man.
Yeah, I'm 100 ticks up. Look. Oh, you can't see.
Yeah, you're blowing it out on purpose. I know that old chestnut.
Oh, Ron,
Yeah, trust me. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Blowing it out.
100 ticks up, 5
Learning
ticks
from
up
the best.
in 2 weeks. So imagine if that was a 100k account there. Like,
That's good. Scale up them lots.
Yeah, my biggest win's 24 ticks. My biggest loss is 1 loss, which is 5 ticks.
Yeah, that's good, man.
And I'm at 99.74 ticks up.
Nice. That's scalping.
Yeah, 0.1 loss.
Yeah, nice, man.
Good one.
Yeah, it's good, man. That's good. I'll believe it when I see it, but yeah, it's good.
On that hourly, Aaron, I'm looking at it now, like, we've already worked out these little highs and then, like, kind of failed to go lower. So now, would you be looking at that 4-hour level at, like, 1793 on currency? You want to work out that first read on here before the drop?
Look, man. Yeah, let me go.
Like, we've already tried to do this little pivot and just, like, went nowhere.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. That's why I don't really like. I don't like buys because you've already. This isn't really a liquidity high because this high's grabbed all of these. So there's no buying opportunities to me because you've already wicked out the highs.
No, well, that's what I'm saying. I've got a level at the 4-hour level is at 1973. That's like the next pivot up there.
1973. Yeah. I got my level. Like, yeah, all of this is where you want to become and tap into. If you get breaks above that, then yeah, you actually could see a pretty decent retracement today. Because I think
I'm watching your Instagram story. When do I get the 1-to-1 strategy one?
Secret, man. You already got them. Here right now. Nah, it's just the zooms that we did as well, man. Just running over the plan.
Yeah.
But this is this is the high where this isn't a liquidity high, but if gold breaks this high, because this is a high that grabbed previous, if you break this high, then you're probably just gonna see this push higher. Yeah. That's what I'm kind of really watching for here. D-Trade US session 2, bro. No, not really. To be honest, man. I've been watching a little bit of pre-New York and that's it. I haven't traded New York Open in a long time. You know, I watch a little bit of pre-New York if I'm available on the charts, but pre-New York is that's it. Like, you know, I don't trade past the Open personally. This top step X still being tested. Yeah, I've been using it. I'll do another video update on it soon and show you guys it a little bit more.
What is that? Is it a broker or is it like just a platform you can trade on through a broker? Yeah,
it's like their own platform now. It's pretty much because they had all the issues with TraderBase. They're like, fuck it, let's just create our own platform. It's pretty clean though. It uses TradingView charts. You know, you can see like bracket orders and stuff like that. It's pretty good. I'm kind of a big fan of it.
that goes against everything you were saying, really, though, doesn't it? About not using fucking dodgy brokers that they've made themselves.
Yeah, you'd have to make sure actually. That's how I want to properly test it.
You can't really fuck futures up because there's no spread, isn't there?
Yeah, exactly, man. That's the thing. Yeah, with that's the thing, because like when you're trading on these charts here, like this is Oanda. Oanda could manipulate this price at any point, whereas on futures, you know, you're still trading the actual exchange price of gold. Because futures are so much more regulated. Any issues with your money while traveling and trading? How do you mean issues? You mean like tax reasons? But no, I've never had any issues. I actually don't know, Harry. I was thinking that today, man. It should be out. I would have thought already, man. Maybe next week. I have to ask. I'll find out. I would have thought it would have been out already, to be honest, man. But maybe still tweaking it a bit.
There was one survey, right, saying that the last 2 weeks are better than the first 2 weeks of the month.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really found first two to be better or worse or anything like that, man. Maybe I personally haven't noticed. It could be like the false few weeks of the month.
You wouldn't notice that since you're making 100k a week, but it's just more like a killer.
Where's the favorite country you've lived in so far? Favorite country I've traveled to? I'd probably say Portugal in Europe. So a very very cool place. Going to Lisbon's a very very cool place. Favorite country I lived in is obviously Australia, but I visited a lot, yeah. So
Portugal's the spot. Like, it's so cheap, and if you could trade for a living and live there, it's fucking like.
Oh, it's amazing, man.
€2 for a beer.
Yeah, it's so good. Like food, everything is just so cheap, and the weather's so good as well.
Good time zones.
Yeah, good time zones. Yeah, lifestyle's cool over there. Yeah, Portugal's nice. Lisbon's a really really cool city.
No, I can see me ending up there one day, I think.
Yeah, it'd be good, man. It's a nice spot. Are you in a trade right now? Nah, I'm in nothing at the minute. Nothing right now. I would have liked buys up into these highs, but you cannot grab the lows, so you're stuck in between these highs and these lows, so you can't really. If you grab the highs, you know, you could start looking for something like this where you could short down into these lows, and vice versa. If you grab these lows, you could be looking for buys into highs, but once you're in the middle, you can't really do anything just yet because you've got 10 ticks up into the highs, so it doesn't make it worth it. There's no valid stop loss placement. But if we do come and grab these highs, and you know you throw some rejections and potentially push down, then you could have some nice sells, because you could see this level now as a potential retail trap for something like this. Looking for this big play up, so before you know it, if you can push up into here, then you could see sells back down as there, which would actually be a pretty nice trade. Do you still use TradeAvate? I mainly use NinjaTrader now, man. Ninja's been my my go-to. But I use the web platform, so it's literally the exact same as TradeAvate. I just use that for personal, and then you can use TradeAvate on Top Step, because you couldn't have personal and funded on the same account, on the same platform. Come on, gold, man. Don't just range today. Give us some movement.
Yeah, the daily candles look pretty shit, innit? Just looking at it now.
Yeah. We're almost right back to where we started.
Doji,
yeah. So you're gonna get like, you're not gonna see a clean big run till you close above here or below here. If you close above here, then you get nice buys all the way up into here. If you close below here, you got sells all the way back down into the daily lows.
I've got a weekly level marked on the currency, but it's already been grabbed on the futures.
Let's have a look now. On the weekly, let's have a look.
It's a weekly low, yeah.
This one?
Yeah, I think it's that one.
Yeah. Has that been grabbed on
Oh, no, the
futures?
daily, sorry. Oh, wait, yeah, I'm on the wrong fucking thing. Yeah, but it's a daily low as well.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I still think currency will drive into that nicely. I think that'd be I think it's some nice sales.
What was I looking at? Oh, overnight, yeah, that was it. On we tapped into it on futures and bounced off it, and we haven't come back down since.
Yeah, let me see on futures.
I posted the screenshot earlier in market chart on Bookmap. It come down and grabbed loads of liquidity on Bookmap, and then just flips and went straight up.
Oh yeah, you have grabbed it on futures. Yeah, you did. Yeah, nice.
And it was like a 90 tick move. Like you could see the liquidity on Bookmap get taken, and then it flipped from 90 ticks in like
instant reaction. Yeah. Instant. Yeah. Yeah. I think currency will still dip down a little bit more and come and grab it out. When I see the levels I have marked to trade off, well, the same as yours. It's pretty satisfying. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. That's what you want. Do your levels and then come on and see how mine look. And if you've got the same, amazing. That's what you want. You did a trade since started or just watching? Nah, no trades yet. Gold's ranging. If you break out, you'll have a trade, but until then, nah, no, nothing just yet. Let me see Bookmap. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. Yeah, it's huge.
playing that in.
Yeah, that's massive.
I feel like it's only really New York where you get shit like that, or like London and that. It just doesn't really fucking move that quick, does it?
Yeah, that's a huge bounce. And that was literally like in that 1:30 or in that 1 hour yesterday. That's like what, almost 100 ticks, which is huge.
It was just like textbook envy as well, wasn't it? Like
instant.
I think the 15. Nah, the 15 and the 5, you would have got stopped out if you had your stop below that low. Oh no. 15, you closed back in, yeah.
Where is it? Yeah, you wicked up, came back down. Yeah, it wasn't as clean on the 5. The 30, it was nice. 30 wicked out the lows, closed back bullish.
15, you would have been sweet.
Boom. Yeah, 30 and 15 were nice. Yeah, 15 was nice as well. Wicked out the lows, strong bullish. Push.
Shit when you come onto the charts and you look like, and you just see a perfect play that you've just missed, and then measure the ranges all day.
Yeah, honestly, man, yeah. Now it could. Did you take any trade yet? Nah, not yet, man, not yet. Wait for a breakout here on Goldie. Spammer was pretty accurate on his calls. Nah, it wasn't showing anything accurate. It wasn't calling anything. It was just spamming the chat every single time. Price moved like 1 tick, and it had no value. So I didn't block them. I just removed it because it's just annoying for everyone else. It has no value. You're just gonna spam the chat with nothing that's gonna do any value for anyone, and there's no purpose of it. It's just gonna annoy everyone else. Your patience is your biggest edge. You have great patience. Yeah, 100%, man. I mean, like some days I could take 3 trades, some days I could take none. But when it's in this range, for me, it's as simple as if you break out, amazing. I'll have something instant ready to go, and I won't be chasing any losses and any shit trades that I've taken in the range. You know, if you close If you close below here, you know, I'll have some great shorts. If you close above here, I'll have some amazing buys. You just got to wait for the markets to come to you. Once you have your levels, you got your liquidity marked on, you have to let the markets come to you. You can have a trade at any second as soon as you get a breakout. I'm ready for it. He's being a dick for a tick.
Alright, I'm off. I'm getting lunch. I'll see if you guys are still.
Alright, man. Enjoy, man. See you later. Patience is everything. Yeah, patience is everything. Absolutely. Like yesterday, I waited pretty much all day for this little bounce, like 80 plus tick bounce. I didn't get in any of these shorts from here because I didn't really get a setup. Because the way it was like creeping like this, I thought you were gonna get a pullback, but I didn't get any setup to take it. So I would just watch this go down and go down and go down. And as soon as you come into that 4-hour support, amazing, there's your trade that you waited all day for. You just got 80 ticks in like 30 minutes. Close partials. You can close partials, man. So say if you're buying gold now, 2 contracts, you want to close 1, you just mark execute sell 1 back. So just change the contract size, and then market execute the opposite way back. Same as if you're in sales 2 contracts, you want to close 50% here, you buy 1 back here. And you just have to adjust your stop loss orders as well. Yeah, patience and discipline is key for sure. Look at oil. Yeah, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Gold ain't doing anything. Wait for the hourly close on gold. Holy, yeah, oil had a fucking huge move. I think oil was so bearish on the weekly as well. Yeah. That's the thing with trading oil. You gotta be ready because oil can just drop. Like, look at that. It's almost 400 ticks in that one push. Is absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. Technicals are can be pretty clean as well. You got that support, break, resistance. Massive push. Insane drop, yeah, insane drop. Corrected, they're kind of similar to gold, like it looks huge on the daily, but on the 4 hourly, look how much it actually corrected down. But it was a, 500 tick push, huge. Broke below the support, retested, you go along there, there's your exit, you flip it short, bam. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Yeah, we're gonna get this hourly close on gold in 7 minutes here. We'll see if we break out or not. But when it's in this range, there is not a lot we can do. Personally, for me, it's not worth trying to scalp in a range. Like I say, trading the 5 minute is great when you got volume. Trading the 5 minute on a ranging 30 minute and 15 day is the worst time frame to trade. You will absolutely blow up. Like I say, I love the 5 minute. I love scalping the 5 minute. But if I see the 30s in a range and the 15s in a range, I personally don't even look at it, because it will manipulate you. It will close bullish, and then it will close bearish engulfing, and then probably bullish engulfing again. And before you know it, you're mentally drained, and you're also P&L wise screwed on the day. So it's not worth it. Korean market's up 12% after they banned shorts. Really? Let me see. Short selling ban, yeah, what the hell? That's crazy. Korea says bank hedge funds with a ban on short selling ahead of elections. Yeah, that's crazy. Four minutes till this hourly is going to close on gold. That's what we're really waiting for here. 15 closed above the range as well. You know, you could have buys in the high, but it's not looking like it's going to push just yet. If we close in this range on this hourly, like we're going to, I'll probably just wait for the 30 then to see how we go. If the next 30 just closes doji, you probably have to wait for some breakouts here on gold. Unfortunately, there's no volume here. How much is this little push down? Have you just created like a triple top there as well? I think. Let me see. Is that triple top? Yeah, you do. Look, you got a triple top here on gold as well. If you keep pushing down today, you're gonna have some pretty nice buys. You got triple top here, and you got a double top up here. If you grab these lows and leave all of this open, that's gonna be a pretty nice buying opportunity. 12 ticks, yeah. I'd love to see us grab these lows before this US session. And then news come out and rip all these highs. That would actually be a lovely, lovely opportunity.
Yeah, 11:30 at night was bad enough for New York Open, but now bloody 12:30.
I know, man. I know. Now it's like, yeah, it's too late. Sometimes I'd watch it at 11:30, but now I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
I ain't doing it.
I think you're so lucky it's 1:30 in Sydney.
Oh yeah, man. It's even fucking worse.
Oh yeah, good point.
Yeah, it's horrible.
That's why I stopped trading options. I could see we were getting close at the time when the clocks were going to change, and I was like, fuck this, I'm not doing that.
Nah, it's unsustainable. Oh shit. Yeah. When I first came to Australia, I was trying to stay up for like the New York Open, and it took me a while to actually adapt and realize that, like, man, you don't actually need to.
Yeah, I was going to say, correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems like with both the Asian and London market, there's usually enough in those to, warrant the whole thing.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man, 100%. I think, like, well, like, think about it. Like, yeah, yesterday on gold, the biggest move of the day happened in like the Asian session. Where was it? Tuesday. So like, Asia all the way down into London. You know, price dropped like 200 ticks, which was huge. Although, you know, you did see like US opened and retraced like 100 of it in 1 hour. But yeah, you can still get amazing moves. Absolutely get amazing moves.
Yeah. Yep.
More than enough that you don't even need to. Yeah, you don't even need to worry about New York. I haven't traded New York in a long time. Yeah, someone said it was elections. It's not elections till next year. Not elections this week. How long we got? 50 seconds here. Look at that 5 minute. Closing bearish, straight back bullish. So it's forming a trend line now. Like up here, or like, oh yeah, probably both ways actually. Let's have a look. Probably like this. Yeah, absolutely. It's actually a nice spot. It's a nice spot, David, if you're looking on that one. Yeah, I like that. Buys up into that at some point when you get a nicer area to do so. I think it's, yeah, I think that's nice, man. 15 ticks, yeah, I think that's nice. People right now are probably trying to do something like this. So you'll very likely see price spike out a lot of them highs. So hourly, 30 minutes, like you had some resistance, you wicked out the highs, closed back below, now created top wick. 30 to me shows potential reversal signs. We have a lot of liquidity up here, so I wouldn't be selling gold right now. But this is an instant top wick on this 30. Let me see the hourly close here. Yeah, doji, unfortunately. There you go, you're going to wick out these highs now on gold. Anyone who is selling gold is about to get wicked out here. You basically had like 4 touches on this trend line now. So what do you have up into that? 9 ticks. But yeah, I'll watch this 30 minute. For 30 minutes, just close doji. Hourly's doji. I won't watch this for too much longer. I'll probably just set some alerts and let gold chill. Yes, absolutely, David. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if you as soon as you grab these, I'm open to shorting this 100%. I just want to see us either grab these lows, grab these highs, or grab these lows, and that's all we really need. So if you do something like this where you wick out these highs, any closure back below like the trend line, and you could absolutely be looking for something like that. And that would be a pretty nice trade, to be honest. It'd be a lovely 30 tick trade, yeah. To come and grab this double bottom is a pretty easy play today. But you have to grab the highs first. Maybe not that high, I'm not interested in that high as much. But these highs up here, absolutely. No bottom wick on this current 30 just yet. So if it does just mess around here, yeah, you basically just want to be setting a light up there. As soon as that goes off, amazing, you could be looking for some nice shorts.
Would you not look for shorts if it just tapped the first little bit of liquidity?
This one?
Yeah, if it just tapped that but not the other one above.
Nah, yeah, I want to see this one grabbed. Only because I think anyone who is trying to sell gold right now, you know, they're probably just short on this little rejection is very likely trying to do something like that. It'd be unlikely they would be, you know, doing something like this. So yeah, for me personally, I would have to see these grabbed and then close back below the trend line, and yeah, that would be worth it for me, I think, man. But man, when gold is ranging, it's so draining just sitting there watching this.
I'm gonna go for a swim in a minute.
Nice, man, to the rooftop pool.
I'll do my half with, you know.
I know, it must be nice. Fucking hell. What time does Mark get there? Is it today?
Half 9.
Nice. Yeah, what time is it there? 3?
3, it's another 6.5 hours.
Yeah, nice. Nice. You guys doing anything tonight or just chilling?
Just chilling. It's going to be like 10:30 until 11 until we get back.
Yeah, true.
Just a training retreat, Aaron.
Double top on the 30. So you're bullish now? I'm not anything now. I'm like I said, I'm not anything. If you come up here, I'll sell. If you come down here, I'll buy. But in this range, I have absolutely no bias. Zero bias. Yeah, although I think gold is gonna, wick out these highs. I'm not gonna be buying it because it's not worth it. But if I was to take a trade, once you grab these highs, it'll be only once you close back below here, and then I'll be doing something like this. Oh yeah, you can do that if you want. Yeah, so as soon as you grab these highs, you need to close back below the resistance, and then you could be shorting it all the way down into these lows, which from around here, 40 potential 50 tick play, which is going to be worth the wait. Or vice versa, if you come all the way down here, buys up into here, it's gonna be very nice. Is that financial advice? No financial advice here, man. This is purely entertainment demo trading. There you go. Now you're grabbing them highs. So you may get it. We still have time. You may get it. You created a nice little bottom wick there, and now you're instantly pushing higher. So anyone who was shorting gold is about to get stopped out. Excuse me. Yeah, the phone calls are going to start blowing up now.
Yeah. Some people's last day of trading. They've just deleted TradingView.
Nah, they're stacking up more shorts right now. They're jumping in more shorts. Yeah. More shorts.
Not a scam. It's true, it's not a scam.
Yeah, more rejections you see from here, more retail traders try to jump in shorts, the more likely you are to get a nice spike. Spike out them highs. Send the SEC. There you go, you got that nice third touch now.
I've set a alert on the top one and an alert on the bottom one.
Good man. Yeah, good man. Good shout. Wait for them alerts and just chill, man.
Will do. Cheers. Have a good one, everyone.
No worries, man. See you, man. See you, mate. What have you been up to over there, Joe, during the day? Just chilling?
Yeah, mate, I'd say for 6 days I've just been resting since I was ill.
Yeah, nice.
I've not been going out in sun too long. I've not going to gym. I've literally just been floating about, just existing until I feel 100%.
Yeah, good man.
It did kill, well, not kill me, but it did knock me back a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd feel pretty dodgy going to hospital in a place like that.
Mate, it was strange because obviously when you're on your own and that.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it's like you're used in a room on your own and you got a drip coming out your arm. You got nurses coming in every 10 minutes to check on you. But, yeah, we're alright.
Nice.
I would recommend it to family or friends. Get it. Yeah, I wouldn't. It weren't bad though. It weren't a bad experience. It weren't good. But yeah, I reckon when Mark comes, that'll be me. When Mark comes, me, Mark and Ron back on it. I feel better though. I feel ready. I just feel the headache all the time.
Yeah.
I'll be right.
You'll be right.
Great, innit?
What is this volume on gold? Jesus. What is this in the past fucking 20 minutes? Is 8 ticks.
Aaron, you know that you'll end stream, and then I know I'll be in the pool, chilling, move on, and then you'll be like, I'll go like, ding. Just caught 20 ticks on gold, stops to break even. And like, every time you leave stream, this happens. Just learn it, and we'll move on. So now, when you think of ending it, give it another half an hour.
That's cap. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know.
Single time.
I don't know who's paid him to say that.
You know, like I'm close to putting it on do not disturb. Thank you.
Well, look.
How true it is.
Look at this. Look. What can I do here? And look at it yesterday in London. Where was it yesterday in London? In our time zone. Here. Absolutely fuck all. Painful. To be fair, the only trade I took yesterday was at like 12:30 London time.
Do you know what the bad thing is? I was short at the loss.
You short down here?
I'll tell you where I shorted from, then you can tell me how shit I am. But I shorted at... Right, can you see the level? One sec, I'll get on the 5 minutes.
Which chart? You want me to go on currency?
Yeah, currency. I didn't take it on my thingy. Yeah, can you see on future? Sorry, can you see the level on the hourly? Oh, God, it keeps changing. Here we go. Right, yeah, there's a level like at 1965ish. Do you know how we like push down? And then the hourlies. Do you know the hourly candle that pushed straight back up? At 1 o'clock, where you were actually long.
Yeah.
On the 5 minute, it took some highs out and didn't leave any bottom wicks at 35 minutes past 1 and 1:45.
All the way down there. Yeah.
It wicked a couple of highs out, so I thought maybe we can go and fill that wick, but we didn't.
Yeah. Like that down here?
Move up a bit.
Yeah.
Next candle. Up.
This one?
Yeah, literally, you see how we wicked them to the left?
Yeah.
Highs to the left. I was short around there after taking them highs with a stops above. And it just carried on.
Yeah, kept pushing. Hello, buddy.
Well, I'm half out of mouth.
Let's be done for now, like guys. Enjoy, Ross. See you next time, man. Oil is moving pretty well. I don't like day trading oil, to be honest. But like I said, I make enough money trading gold that I don't personally mess around with anything else. Like yesterday, I had buys from here and caught this amazing move up, which I waited all day for. But now I just find oil, like I've swing traded oil before, but personally day trading I'm not a huge fan of it. Like if you watch oil on the 5 minute, I think it can be pretty messy. I just don't think it gives anything that gold doesn't, so it makes no sense to me to not trade just gold.
Oh look.
Yeah. I might try a cheeky long in a minute if you don't leave a wick to the dark upside.
Yeah, you just grabbed all these lows here. Grab previous 15 lows. Probably gonna grab these highs. The retail traders thought they were on a jackpot position here.
Yeah, they were falling the mold.
What did they see? Yeah, they handed in their resignation there. 13 ticks now. You're seeing a push up. Any experience trading the DAX? Now I haven't traded it. Again, I've looked at it in the past, but I just find it very, very choppy on higher time frames.
Do you think the buys are valid now?
Into this little double top?
Yeah, like taking the break of the current buy after it closes.
Nah, because you have to be kind of like if I was in any buys, I'd be taking my profit here. That'd be the only little play I would say. How's everyone? Good, thank you, bro. We're good. Chilling, man.
Yeah, if gold doesn't leave a upper wick, you can long with your stocks below the last 5, can't you?
Yeah, I mean, you have to be taking profit as soon as you come into this little double top.
It's like 10 ticks, but 10 ticks is 10 ticks.
Because you're at hourly resistance as well. It's so choppy. Not for me personally, but that's just me. But no, trading the DAX now. I've never really traded it. But from what I had seen when I was previously trying to watch it a little bit, it was just very, very choppy. Oh man, this Goldie 15 on gold has just closed again. Doji. I'm only gonna wait for this 30 close. I'm not gonna watch this go sideways for too long today. It's just not worth it. Yeah, I almost, man.
Are we bothered?
No, it's not worth it. You're not gonna get a clean setup until you break the range.
No?
Yeah, you got that double top there now. Yeah, nice. Do you watch any other trading streams? Yeah, I watch Don Vo sometimes. Don Vo's good to watch. Patrick Whelan is a good futures trader if you guys want to watch a US trader. You can watch Sean from Cody Kai, who trades US session, just trades US 30. Another great trader. Trades live as well. A lot of streamers trade a lot in New York. You know, I think there's many London streamers. Everyone's in the trading like New York and trading like the Dow or Nasdaq or something. Hello, come here. Come here. All right, don't. Yeah, I still like I mentioned when we were down here. It's actually David who spotted this trend line. This here is a retail trap. I already marked in this double top, but to confluence it up with the trend line gives it even more probability to come up and grab. But all I'm doing is waiting for this 15 here. If the 15 just closes doji, I'm just gonna leave gold and take a break. Gold is doing nothing. Gold just gave you a middle finger. Yeah, he was sitting there smiling at me, so I called him over. He just looks at me and then runs downstairs. So fuck you then.
Come on, grab the highs already.
No, look at the 15. It's literally just not even worth watching.
Yeah, I'm done, I think.
Yeah, me too. I'm waiting for this 15 and I'm done. Unless you break out some good volume, I ain't watching this.
So what would you be watching now, or just so we can?
Nothing really. I'll just wait for like an hourly breakout, to be honest, or like to come up and grab these highs. You know, I'll be setting some alerts up here and down here. If you grab the lows, well, I'd rather see shorts, because if you grab these lows, you're coming all the way down into this next level, which is this 4-hour low. So I'd rather be shorting it from up here.
Yeah, would you say that we haven't sparked enough shorts out yet? Enough shorts yet?
Nah, not for me. Nah, not for me. Not for me. Good trading is boring. Emotionally making break. Yeah, for sure, man. Good trading is boring. Yeah, I mean, good trading is boring. Yeah, I agree. Good trading is boring. But when it's this low, it's like this isn't even. This is just like whenever you come onto the charts and you see a 30-minute ranging like this. Honestly, just set some alerts and close your computer, because if you take trades in this 5-minute, you're gonna blow up. You'll blow up your account, you'll blow up your mental capital, and you'll be done before the volume even kicks in. So when the volume kicks in later, you know, I'll be fresh, clean on the day, ready to go. But as long as this 30-minute stays in this range, I won't do anything. I'll chill. Not trading is also part of trading.
Wow. Gold's up.
Good, buddy.
Gold looks so bullish and bearish in the 5.
Oh, fucking hell, he just kicks me in the face.
It's bullish, bearish.
Oh,
Keeps on playing. Just like second.
Oh.
Just keep on sliding. Can't go wrong, can you?
Nah, you know, honestly, the best way is to just set alerts and chill. Isn't that right? Because you need to walk. What are you saying? Hello?
I really, if you take a trade and if you take a trade like in half an hour, don't send the chart, send the cancellation thing.
Yeah. It definitely happens. The moment we go off, check the alerts, and the next, I'm closing my charts, and in the next 15 minutes, already trade.
That's cap. That's cap.
Yeah, but then it took something that's like not even the alert.
It's not even like the alert goes off.
Stop.
Like, this is why you need to be trading within these 30-minute ranges, guys.
Stops to break even, guys.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere till you give us a trade.
Nah, today though, I'm actually not. I'm like, until you break out of this, I ain't touched this. Look at this 5. I'll today I'm actually gonna close the laptop. I need to go fucking shopping.
Then also post a breakdown. Why you did it in that range?
Confess your sins. As a Blue Express account this weekend, trading a range. Now I'm broken to a new account. Yeah, don't trade in range, man. Set some alerts. Honestly, set some alerts and chill. Found it as I was looking for someone who trades Asia and London. I'm in Sydney. Hey, nice man, nice. I'm in Sunshine Coast. Do you stream every day? Yeah, we stream every day, man. Every day. I like a calm strategy. Yeah, our strategy is very good, very profitable, very consistent. Once you get the breakouts, once you get the liquidity grabs, you know, like I say, I could sit here and do nothing for like an hour, 2 hours, set some alerts, chill, come back and take a trade at any point. But forcing trades in this range is where most retail traders blow up and they give back all of their profits. You know, you get amazing retail traders get amazing shorts in here, and here they give it all back. They give it all back and more. Whereas to me, if you're in this range all day, I don't give a shit. I'm not here to predict. I'm here to react. And if price is ranging, I can't control that. You can never control prices in range. You can only control what you take. Yeah, Dave, pre-New York. Yeah, I got some buys pre-New York from down here yesterday, man. I got this little scalp back up yesterday because he came into. What was that?
What were your entry?
I'll show you. It's basically being a I'll show you on the currency chart. That was the only trade I took yesterday. I waited all fucking day for it. I actually went in probably a little bit too big, but I basically was just waiting for us to get into this 4-hour support, and I knew, like, you know, even if price is gonna break this massive 4-hour support, you're at least gonna bounce like 50, 60, 70, 80 ticks. So my longs yesterday were literally just once this 30 closed with no bottom wick coming into like the last couple of 30 minutes of the 4-hourly. So I took some longs there and I took some more longs once you grab the lows here, and then I closed here, and that was it.
So you longed on that 30-minute clause at the actual level at 1961.2. There's that clause there that closed through it.
Check my executions have refreshed now, but go to the market call I did before and skip into it, and you can see exactly where I entered.
Right,
my executions have refreshed now because it's a new day, but yeah, it was in this 30. I showed it on I showed it on I showed it on the latest market recap that I did just before.
Yeah, so you basically just use that 30-minute, well, the higher time frame level, and just execute it off the level.
Yeah, it was just 4-hour support that, you know, we were so overextended. Like the 4-hour yesterday had pushed down so much that, like, you hadn't grabbed any 4-hour highs. I was like, I can almost guarantee that you're at least gonna have some sort of reaction. Like every other time you've touched this 4-hour support, you filled a range of 150 ticks. You tapped 4-hour resistance there. You dropped down like 100. I'm like, I'm very confident that you're gonna at least bounce up like 30, 40, 50 ticks. So once the 30 closed with that no bottom wick, amazing. That's when I'm starting to get in it. If you closed below on the 4-hourly, you know, I'd been cutting it at the retest here and been out straight away.
Yeah, because you've been entering off like the 15.
Yeah. The nicer buy was once that 30 grabbed the lows, reclosed bullish. You could have had buys there, and buying it back up into that level. There's your 50 ticks for the day.
Yeah, I didn't see that. I only saw shorts because how bearish you were. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's why I like even when I like intraday on any time frame, and I'm still always watching like this 4 hour, especially when you come close to finishing the 4 hour. Like
TP?
Just that 30 resistance here. I'll show you. Hit.
Sick.
That was it. That was just a little pullback trade. You hadn't grabbed any highs in so long as well. So it's like as soon as you come and grab even these highs, go break even there, and then volume just absolutely kicked in, and that was like the last 30 of the 4 hour. So obviously the most volatile. Before you know it, that 130 is bigger than the entire push down yesterday.
Yeah, your TP with my stop.
I needed your liquidity.
Yeah, I don't think my sell was bad. I don't know why.
Nah, you probably should. I just would have said, yeah, just go on like. Wait, where did you have it again? You had it from here.
Yeah, I got short there because it wicked out them 2 weeks to the left. And we had a level. I had a level marked out around there.
Because you had. Oh, did you get it once we grabbed these?
Yeah, so I shorted just above it because we had no bottom wick on the 5.
Yeah, true. Yeah, no, that was not a bad place to short, especially if you got short here.
Yeah, that's exactly where I got short, and then stop above the wick.
Yeah.
You see the above that level?
This.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Like that wasn't even like shorts from there were probably good, but even like if you get shorts from there, as soon as it closes bullish, close it at break even straight away and wait, and then it retests and pushes back up.
I could have closed when it closed through the wick. You know that I really wanted to close below that.
Yeah, as soon as it closes above, like if I shorted here, as soon as it closes above, quick little bottom wick, I cut it at break even or like minus 1 or 2 ticks max and be out.
Yeah, learn from it.
We could have 5 minute on Goldie, man. Fuck me. I'm off, bro. Have a good night. Enjoy, man.
Yeah,
see you next time, man. Alright, man. Enjoy. See you, man. Bye bye. I'm just waiting for this 30 close here, but it's probably not going to really do anything, to be honest. I'm just getting rid of this alert so we can see what's going on, but that's where my alert is going to go. I'm not too tired. I'm drained. Yeah, see, that's what it is, man. Yeah. If you feel you're drained and bored of watching, go and set some alerts and chill. Like, I'm going to set some alerts. I'm generally not. I'm going to completely close the laptop and I don't even want to watch this. Until you break out, just chill. If you watch the 5 minute, you will blow up mentally. You get 30-minute breakout later on, amazing, you can have a trade, but until then, meh. You're Fed speaking today as well, so you may not even get a trade today. What time is the Fed speaking? I think it's like, what, 2 PM London time? Yeah, 2 PM London time, so... I mean, you may still get some movement before that, like maybe pre-New York. But if the markets wait for that, it's going to take a while.
1 hour after the New York Open.
Yeah, I won't be able to, won't be watching that. Taco Tuesday, but everyone to sleep. I'll be back tomorrow. Good man. See you then. See you then. I'm just waiting for this 30 close, and if it just closes doji like it's very likely going to go to, I'm also going to chill. But plan of action today: if you grab these highs, you got nice shorts down into these lows. Or if you grab these lows, you got amazing buys up into them shorts later. The reason these lows, let me just move this alert out of the way. The reason you want to be shorting into them lows is because most retail traders will be trying to buy here, stop loss just below that low, looking for this big play up. So short into their liquidity, and exactly the same right now. 90% of retail traders will be short in this resistance, seeing this third touch, trying to do something like this as well. So trade into where most retail traders are trying to do something. And right now it's shorts. Lows and highs. Yeah, so I'll set one up here, man. And basically all I want to see is, I gotta go shopping, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to watch it, but all I would want to see, if my alert goes off, in order to get an entry, I want to see price close back below this trend line. As soon as you close back below this trend line, fake out confirmed, and you could be shorting it down into here. First target 30, and then running into these 4 hour lows for like 50 ticks, which is actually going to be a pretty nice trade. So if you look here, if we get rid of, just hide everything for a second, bring this up. This 4 hour could still, you know, this could be a top wick and could start to flip bearish. You haven't grabbed these previous 4 hour lows, so you basically have a double bottom there. You've also got this double bottom down here as well, where the daily could just come and grab a lot of this. But yeah, if your alert goes off the highs, don't just short it straight away. Wait for these to get grabbed and to close like back below this resistance, and then that could be a pretty nice short for the trade, for the day. Sorry, and that will actually be a pretty nice position. So yeah, set your alert up there, and also set your alert. Oh, you don't really want to have a downside alert, because once you come down to here, you're probably just going to come and grab previous daily lows. So if you get the shorts from up here, you know, you could have runners for the daily to keep pushing lower, which is going to be a pretty big position. But yeah, that's it for me. Zoom guys, I'll update you guys later on. Price 30 minutes just closed doji again. So since we've jumped on, price has gone doji, 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 doji. So I'm not going to watch this go doji again. So you may as well just set your alerts and wait for this double top to get grabbed. And then you could have some nice shorts, which we'll probably look to see if we get it later on. So Zoom guys, appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you guys in Discord later on.
Alright, man. See you.
Enjoy guys, talk to you soon. See you guys, bye bye. See you, man. Goodbye. YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. You guys have my liquidity levels to watch now. I have my alert set. I'm personally going to close the laptop here. Gold's ranging. If my alert goes off, amazing. I'll come back upstairs, fire the laptop, and see if I get a trade. But yeah, for now, trade safe, be smart. You know, you got the Fed speaking later on. Gold is at 4 hour support and in an overall range. Just simply wait for breakouts. If you try and trade the 5 minute, you're massively going to burn yourself out and you're going to blow up. You're going to ruin all your mental capital, which you don't want to do. So I'll leave it for now. We'll come back on later on and see what we get. But yeah, trade safe, be smart, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.